Bonjour. Hi. I'm down here in the Pecan Grove recreational area. Going to be doing a little black powder work. But what I wanted to highlight was some projects. Obviously the Kibler rifle kit that I built. I've got a Fowler ordered. Probably in the next 60 days we'll be receiving it. But one of the things I want to talk about is my persona, or one that I'm trying to work on, is that of a French coureur de bois, or voyageur. So I'm also trying to learn a little French, proper pronunciation, stuff like that. Obviously for an Okie, that might be a little difficult, but I am of French-Canadian descent, which were the primary people that explored the lower Mississippi and into what is present-day Oklahoma. In doing so, I wanted to build some accoutrements. I've made a shooting pouch, knife, scabbard, powder horn. The powder horn here, this was kind of a trial just to kind of develop some techniques. I wanted a bigger horn that would hold more powder, and I wanted it to be a map horn that showed the lower Mississippi, the Rivière Rouge, the Rivière de Washita, and Rivière Arkansas, which are the Arkansas, the Washita, and the Red Rivers. There was a map that I found that showed the location of Les Penis, which were what the French called the Wichita. There was a designation on the map that showed deux grands villages, which two large villages of Les Penis, which would be the Wichita. I believe that was Ferdinandina, which was a French trading post. So I developed that horn, or I developed that map to put on my powder horn. Don't know if the French actually did map horns, but it was a very common thing in the mid 18th century. And so I could see that it would be conceivable for them to be doing that as well. Now, Ferdinandina was established, as best we can tell, in the late 1840s, early 1850s, lasted a couple of decades during the French efforts to expand into the New Mexico territory. And the French's objective were to establish trade with the Indians to better facilitate their movement into what they thought might be more lucrative areas, and that would be towards the Spanish settlements of Santa Fe and Taos. Obviously, still looking for the wealth of the New World in the form of minerals, and not so much in its other natural resources. So, with that being said, I'll introduce the horn that I've worked on, and then also my efforts to visit the area of Ferdinandina, which is up in Kay County, Oklahoma, just south of the Oklahoma-Kansas border. So stick with me, and we'll try to explore this together.